The Tools program, or Send to PaperVision link, allows you to drag and drop files to upload directly to MMSilo. When the screen opens up, you can select which project you want to send the document to, then type in the index information for the document. Using the Tab key on the keyboard will send the cursor down to the next field. For drop-down values, you can select with the mouse, or you can use the arrow keys to go through their different selections. The date fields will automatically populate with today's date, or you can select from the drop-down calendar a specific date you're looking for, or you can fill in the date manually. Once all the index information is filled in, go ahead and click on Save on the bottom right to send the file into MMSilo. An additional option is the Delete Local Copies checkbox. If this box is checked, it means that the file that's on the computer will be automatically deleted after upload is complete. The file is now in Silo, and the file has been deleted from the desktop. It is possible to send several documents into the system at the same time using the Send to PaperVision link. Go ahead and highlight several documents all at once and drag those to the icon. When the indexing screen opens up, you'll see that each of the documents is queued for upload at the bottom. Each one of these files will enter into Silo as a different document to the system. However, they'll all be given the exact same index information that you type in here. So this can be helpful if you have several documents for the same person, and any other common index information they may have. Something like document type, you can leave that blank for now, but then fill that in later after they've been uploaded to the system. If you're unable to see the desktop icon for Send to PaperVision, you can still access the functionality by doing a right-click on the file. In Windows 10, you'll have an option in here that says Send to. In Windows 11, you'll have to click on Show More Options first. In the Send to menu, go ahead and select Send to PaperVision. This will perform the same action as dragging and dropping the file onto the icon.